Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of waiting for payday to grab those must-have items from Walmart, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down how to use Afterpay at Walmart in 2025. Afterpay is that awesome buy now pay later service that lets you split your purchases into 4 interest-free payments. It's super convenient, especially with Walmart's vast selection of everything from groceries to electronics. But how does it work exactly? Let's dive in step by step. First things first, you need to set up your Afterpay account. Download the Afterpay app on your phone or visit their website and sign up. It's quick and easy. Just enter your email, create a password, and link a debit or credit card. Make sure to verify your details because 2025 brings updated security features to protect your info. Once you're all set up, head over to Walmart, either in store or online. If you're shopping online at walmart.com, add your items to the cart as usual. At checkout, look for the payment options. Afterpay should be listed as one of them, thanks to Walmart's expanded partnerships in 2025. Select Afterpay, and you'll be prompted to log into your account. Double-check that the total amount is eligible. Afterpay typically works for purchases between 50 cents and $2,000, but always confirm the latest limits. After logging in, Afterpay will review your purchase instantly. If approved, you'll see your payment plan, 4 equal installments due every 2 weeks. Confirm the details, and bam, your order is placed. For in-store shopping, use the Walmart app to select Afterpay at the register or scan a QR code with the Afterpay app. It's that seamless. A few tips for 2025. Keep an eye on any new fees or promotions, as Afterpay might have seasonal deals with Walmart. Always make your payments on time to avoid late fees, and remember, this service is best for planned purchases. If you run into any issues, Walmart's customer service or Afterpay's support is just a tap away. There you have it. Using Afterpay at Walmart in 2025 is straightforward and budget-friendly. Give it a try on your next shopping spree and let me know in the comments how it goes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.